Hi, welcome to the Bike Library.
How to fix a flat tire here in the Bike Library workshop.
Start by unhooking your brakes from your bike. Take your wheel off the bicycle. For a quick release wheel, undo the quick release lever and loosen it a few turns to the left. If your wheel has no quick release and is held with nuts, loosen each side with a wrench, making sure you support the wheel with your knee. Use the shredder cap or Presta valve and release the rest of the tire pressure from the tire by pressing an Allen key into the shredder valve or by unscrewing the top of the Presta valve and press with your finger on the top of the release to release the remaining air. Once the wheel is off, take 3 tire levers and pry the tire off the wheel. Wedge each lever one spook away from each other and hook it to the spook. Use the third lever to slide across the rest of the wheel. Remove the tube from the open side starting from the air valve. Once the tube is removed, inspect the tire and the rim tape. Inspect the tire for any punctures from sharp rocks or metal pins that could have caused the puncture and remove them. Make sure to be vigilant and careful during the process to prevent any sharp injuries. Inspect the rim tape to see if the spook holes are covered, since the spook ends can be sharp. See the side of the tire for the correct tube size. Grab and use the correct tube size for the wheel. Take the tube out of the box and pump it with a bit of air. Put back the tire in the correct direction of the wheel by finding the directional arrow on the tire or by observing the tread of the tire, and place the new tube in the open side. Close up, put back tire on the wheel. Put the back wheel on the bike using the quick release function or use a wrench to tighten and put the wheel back.
And finally, you're fixing a flat tire. Yay!